The last thing I would like to show you is how to edit the sharing. This obviously is my fourth grade page, and there will be a lot of pictures of my students on here, so I don't want that to be public to everyone. I just want it to be public to their parents. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click the settings menu and then go down to sharing and permissions. Now I have rights to edit this, but I do not want my parents to have rights to edit this. So I would click here and I would type in all of their email addresses and then click the pencil, and I don't want them to edit it. I only want them to have rights to view it. So I would click Can View and then I would hit Send. That will allow my parents to be able to see it but not edit it. And then eventually, if I wanted this to make this access to just all of our team members and just do like a fourth grade page, you could go in and add, you could send them an invite, but then you can make them owner as well. So for example, there are 3 fourth grade teachers at my school, so I could add the other 2 and we could all be owners. And it would just depend on the structure of the page if I wanted to turn this into a fourth grade versus just my own class. But that is how you edit the permissions, and then you would hit send.